Legal dictation 60 words per minute for learners. Start. The appeal arises in the following circumstances. The appellant, which is the executive committee of Vice Degree College in the district of Muzaffarnagar, was registered under the Registration of Cooperative Societies Act as an institution for imparting education. The affairs of the college were managed by the executive committee of the Vice College, which is the appellant in this case. In the year 1965, the Vice Degree College was affiliated to the Agra University, and as a consequence thereof the college agreed to be governed by the provisions of the Agra University Act and the statutes and ordinances made thereunder. With the establishment of the Meerut University, sometime in the year 1965, the Vice Degree College got affiliated to the Meerut University. The plaintiff respondent was appointed as principal of the college on permanent basis with effect from July 1st, 1964, and his appointment as principal was formally approved by the Vice Chancellor of the Agra University. 2 years later, it appears that differences arose between the executive committee of the college and the plaintiff respondent, resulting in allegations and counter allegations and culminating in a notice served by the executive committee on October 24, 1966 on the plaintiff respondent, directing him not to discharge the duties of the principal, and another letter was sent to defendant number 4, a member of the staff of the college, to officiate as principal in place of the plaintiff respondent. This was followed up by a counter notice by the plaintiff respondent to the executive committee that the notice sent to him was illegal, and the respondent also asked defendant number 4 not to assume charge of the principal. On March 12, 1967, the executive committee by a resolution terminated the services of the plaintiff respondent with effect from October 24, 1966, and this resolution was amended by another resolution on March 29, 1967, even before the formal resolution terminating the services of the plaintiff respondent was passed. It appears that the plaintiff had filed the present suit on October 28, 1966, before the court of the First Additional Civil and Sessions Judge, Muzaffarnagar, which was transferred for disposal to the court of the Munsif Kairana. The plaintiff's case was that on being affiliated to the Agra University and thereafter to the Meerut University, and adopting the provisions of the acts and the statutes of the said university, the appellant college became a statutory body and had no jurisdiction to terminate the services of the plaintiff respondent without seeking the previous approval of the Vice Chancellor. Stop.